Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Rainbow Wallet to DApps. Rainbow Wallet is more than just a place to store crypto. It also lets you connect directly to decentralized application, also known as DApps. DApps are used for things like swapping tokens, buying NFTs, staking crypto, and using DeFi platform without intermediaries. If you want to safely connect your Rainbow Wallet to DApps like Uniswap, OpenSea, or other Web3 apps, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So first you need to open to the Rainbow Wallet. Over here, find a DApp or enter the DApp website URL. What you can do is select on the top icon of your profile and select add on the bottom right. Over here, what you can do is you can simply select import a secret word or private key, or if you want to create a new wallet of the DApps, you can do that as well. So simply tap on the create wallet group and make the DApps wallet and choose and make a new wallet group of the DApps. And after that, only connect to trusted DApps. Always review permission requests, disconnect from any DApps after use to stay safe. And that's how you can connect Rainbow Wallet to DApps quickly and securely. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.